Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Guys, how are you? Shiba Inu enters the metaverse with Shiba lands, leash rockets. 40% developers behind popular meme coin Shiba Inu said the protocol would soon offer plots of virtual lands in an upcoming, yet unnamed metaverse, causing prices of ecosystem tokens like SHIB and leash to jump as much as 40%. Shiba Inu family, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell before going into the details. We will growth Shiba metaverses generally describe a virtual world in which people can interact as they do in the real world, but digitally. The concept has gained steam in recent years, with metaverse tokens like Decentraland's Mana and Axie Infinity's AXS being worth billions of dollars. The metaverse is set to be one of the biggest areas within crypto for many to enjoy, using it as another great resource to offer crypto communities incentivization, content, and regular royalties, Shiba Inu developers said in a blog post. The so-called Shiba lands would be found inside the upcoming Shiba Inu metaverse and will be available for purchase or auction using leash tokens. Developers said they are working on a queue system designed for the Shiba lands sales event. Participants earn a place in the queue based on the amount of leash they hold. Such a system would prevent opportunistic bots from snapping up land early at low prices to sell them at a higher price to the community. Prices of leash tokens were up nearly 46% in the past 24 hours, data from analytics tool CoinGecko show. SHIB has a supply of 1 quadrillion tokens, with half locked away, while leash has only 107,647 minted tokens. Meanwhile, SHIB fell 8% in the past 24 hours after rising nearly 40% over Monday and Tuesday. The token was trading near 0.33 at press time. 46.7 million SHIB burned in over 24 hours, while burn pot of this company rises to 191 million tokens in its recent tweet. Shibburn Twitter account has written that over the past 24 hours, approximately 45 million coins have been removed from the initial SHIB emission, for good. In the following hours, another 1.8 million tokens followed. Meanwhile, the SHIB burn pot of this company keeps growing, so far exceeding 191 million Shiba Inu, to be destroyed live on YouTube on February 14. 46.7 million SHIB burnt by the community. Data shared by the Shibburn account shows that in the past 24 hours, the SHIB community has destroyed a total of 44,938,070 meme tokens by sending them to a dead wallet and thus removing them from circulation. That amount of crypto was shifted in 17 transactions. Later on, within a few hours, another 1,883,210 SHIB were burned within 2 transfers, according to the same source on Twitter that duplicates information provided by Etherscan, publishing it on its recently created website. 191 million SHIB to be incinerated in 4 days. Bigger Entertainment crypto record label, which sells SHIB-themed merch and NFTs and conducts regular SHIB burn parties, keeps increasing its Shiba Inu burn pot for the party that is scheduled for February 14, Valentine's Day. As of today, the amount of SHIB to be burned at that event constitutes 191,005,662 tokens. This amount grows gradually as people listen to playlists on the company's website, play games and just contribute by purchasing a burn party subscription for $5. According to the recent tweet by the company's owner, Stephen Cooper, the firm needs to raise another $6,000 to make the coming burn party the biggest they have had yet. At the previous burn event on December 26, the company sent slightly over 239.6 million SHIB to a dead wallet. Overall, the firm has already burned nearly 1 billion tokens after beginning to help burn SHIB in late October. Plans to burn 1.3 billion SHIB per month per a video recently published on YouTube by Cooper. Bigger Entertainment is working on increasing its monthly SHIB burn rate to a whopping 1.3 tokens, worth approximately $10,000 at the current SHIB exchange rate. The entrepreneur stressed that they are planning to do that by using 3 tools: YouTube videos, playlist and gaming. The former 2 options are available on the firm's website that is currently being rebuilt. Cooper reminded the community that Bigger Entertainment is not the only team in the SHIB army that is burning tokens on a regular basis, so the Shiba Inu supply is going to be reduced gradually with the goal of pushing its price up. Many hope that thanks to these efforts, the token may shoot to 1 cent in the near future. Guys, SHIB bullish for the next 24 hours. Shiba Inu price analysis is bullish today. The strongest support is present at 1831. SHIB is currently trading at 3,141. The Shiba Inu price analysis indicates that the cryptocurrency has entered a positive market and appears to have broken through resistance. While there was some volatility last week, bulls kept it going, which is something of an accomplishment in its own right. For example, following yesterday's rise in price, the value of SHIB rose dramatically and climbed as high as 3,463 before pulling back to its current level at 3,312 as of this video. However, that's still gain from last week's low and suggests that the bullish movement is still alive and kicking for now, even if it isn't moving too far or fast. At one point during today's trading period, SHIB traded at the equivalent of 3,812, but that was back when volatility was even higher than it is now. We're seeing a little bit more subdued movement at this point, which could mean that it's time to take real positions and start thinking about where to put stop losses in place until the market settles down again. SHIB will continue to trend upward over the next few days since there's no reason for it not to at this point, but there is a chance of a correction taking place. In any event, one thing we can be certain of is that the Shiba Inu price today will go down as yet another case in point of why we can't always rely on technical analysis alone to make trading decisions. Shiba Inu price analysis for 24 hours. SHIB breaks resistance. The Shiba Inu price prediction is bullish right now, and there's no reason to think it won't continue moving in that direction. We saw what happened when the market went down last week, it almost immediately bounced back. The same thing could easily happen again this week and help bring prices back up. The first thing we need to do is establish whether the current support level at 1831 is legitimate or not. If it is, then we can reasonably expect SHIB to continue strengthening as it has done since the beginning of this month. It's also possible that a correction could push prices down to 1831 again, so we'd want to set a level at which we'll cut our losses if it happens. This week's Shiba Inu price prediction is bullish, and the only direction prices are likely to go for now is up. We can expect some volatility, but SHIB is likely to settle down again before long unless the market experiences any unexpected changes. SHIB 4-hour analysis. Latest developments. The most recent 4-hour candle has closed above the upper Bollinger Band, suggesting bullish momentum will continue over the next few hours before it corrects itself again. A move above 3,607 is required to invalidate the current 4-hour chart analysis and signal that bullish momentum is still in play. Time will tell whether this happens or not. There is still significant room for growth in the Shiba Inu price forecast, but it might be a good idea to take a short break before starting to invest again. This is one of the best times to invest in SHIB long-term. The MACD buy is currently the only coin in the top 100 that has not recovered from last week's dip. Will it do so today? To answer this question, one must look at the chart. The RSI selling pressure is still high. At the moment, it's not clear that this will continue to be the case, but SHIB has a history of going up and down rapidly before settling in a trading range for a while. Shiba Inu price analysis. Conclusion: it might be a good idea to keep an eye on SHIB over the next few days, as there's a strong possibility that it will trend upward again. Of course, possibility is not the same as imperative, but if you do want to find out what's going on with SHIB right now and where it might be going over the next few days, then take a look at our Shiba Inu price analysis. It appears the last few hours were engulfed in a severe bullish movement, making the cryptocurrency Shiba Inu market enter a breakout. This, in turn, forces the market's volatility to burst in the direction of the Shiba Inu price to reverse. It follows a downwards movement now. The crypto markets moved into correction territory last month as investors reading the tea leaves pulled back on risky assets in anticipation of tighter monetary policies coming down from the Fed. We've come to the end of the video, guys. I hope you understand what I want to say. Express your thoughts by commenting. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.